Good morning everyone. I am Tanshina studying in class 9 at Chavari Bilal Sheikh Education Public School, Sargaon, Ramtik. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers are like candles which melt themselves to brighten our future. Behind the success of every person in his own life is a teacher. Beside our parents, the person who motivate us, guide us, teach us are none other than our teachers. Teachers have major contribution to society's development and upliftment. They teach us good values of life and the difference between right and wrong. Instead of our parents, as a teacher, who would make us capable of making right choices in our career and walking on a path which ends at last on the success. Teachers have a different outlook compared to other persons. They have ability to make others realize the mistakes and improvements. Teachers, especially in India, are in the place of God, and the place where they teach is a temple. Today we all are celebrating Teachers' Day and giving respect to our Honorable President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was also a renowned teacher. On this day, we show our respect and love to our teachers. They make us realize best of our abilities. Obviously, when we are guided and taught by a good teacher, we become a good human being and contribute to society. This ultimately leads to the development and growth of the society. I thank all the teachers of India who restlessly taught us in the COVID tough situation. Thanking once again.